The essential skills for commercial success are more critical than ever. The Kaplan Business Challenge sees delegates take on the role of the main board of a failing company in a pressurized, controlled environment. Teams are tasked with creating the most value for shareholders in competition with other teams. They must decide on the strategic direction of the company, devise sales strategies, manage their supply chain, and forecast and manage their finance needs. The program is highly flexible and can be customized for different audiences and learning outcomes. It provides the opportunity to go way beyond core finance issues and to use the simulation as a springboard to explore and apply critical personal, management, and leadership skills. The core training objectives include financial awareness, operational planning, strategic thinking, communication, and leadership. The simulation can be successfully run over 1 to 5 days at any venue and can accommodate between 12 and 30 delegates of varying backgrounds. So, to discover how the Kaplan Business Challenge can deliver a genuine and tangible impact on your business, contact us today and see this unique and memorable training experience for yourself.